Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, PC Error Fix. Today, we've got a common tech issue encountered by many of us, the dreaded, USB device not recognized, error. Don't worry, we've got your back. In this video, we'll show you some quick and easy solutions to fix Windows cannot detect USB device problem. Here have a look at the solutions you need to try. Solution 1, update your USB drivers. Solution 2, uninstall and reinstall the driver. Solution 3, disable the USB Selective Suspend setting. Solution 4, run scan and repair drive. Solution 5, format your drive. Now before starting with the detailed steps in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, also ring the bell to get notified when another video lands. Solution 1, update your USB drivers. The outdated or incompatible drivers that lead to the USB not recognized issue on your device, try updating the USB drivers as instructed. Hit the Windows key and type Device Manager. Then, from the list of available drivers, expand the Universal Serial Bus controllers by double-clicking on them. Right-click on one of the drivers and click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for the updated driver software option. If an updated driver is available, install it and then restart the system. Moreover, you can also update the driver using the Driver Updater tool. This is an advanced tool that scans your system and updates the entire outdated drivers easily. Download the tool from the link in the description box. Solution 2, uninstall and reinstall the driver. If updating the USB drivers did not help you to fix the issue, then reinstalling them will do the job. Go to Device Manager and expand the Universal Serial Bus controllers. Then, right-click on your driver and choose the Uninstall Device option. Next, confirm the upcoming prompt by clicking on the Uninstall option. Then, you can visit the manufacturer's website and download the latest drivers on your Windows device. Solution 3, disable the USB Selective Suspend setting. The USB Selective Suspend feature of your device suspends any operation of a port when there is a need to conserve power. So, disabling this may works for you. Hit the Windows key and type Control Panel. Now, click on Power Options. Then, choose the Change Plan settings under the power plan that is being used currently. Then, click on the Change Advanced Power Settings option. Now, click on USB Settings, and click on the USB Selective Suspend setting. Finally, tweak the setting to Disabled from the given menu. Solution 4, run scan and repair drive. You can use the inbuilt scan and repair drive option to fix USB-related issues. This tool detects any issues associated with your USB devices and troubleshoots them automatically. Connect your USB device to your Windows PC. Then, open the Windows Explorer and right-click on your USB driver. Then, choose the Properties. Next, switch to the Tools tab. Then, click on the Check button under Error Checking. Then, click on the Scan Drive option to begin the repair process. Make a note that, you cannot use your drive during this process. Finally, restart your PC to save the recent changes. Solution 5, format your drive. If none of the solutions works for you to fix the error, then it indicates that your USB drive is faulty and needs to be formatted. Note, make sure you back up your data from another device if possible, before proceeding with this solution. Right-click on your USB drive that is connected to your Windows and choose the Format option. In the next window, click on Start Now, and the USB drive will be formatted. Once the device is formatted, plug it into your PC and check if it works fine now. The USB device not recognized doesn't have to be a headache anymore. By following the quick fixes, you can keep your devices working smoothly. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.